Hey everybody, did an oil plug on that, trying to find the air leak. It wasn't it, so I'm just gonna pull the engine. It's got a kit on it. Now it's oil deleted. I'll probably just put a big reed manifold on it and an exhaust. I mean, we're here, we have the parts, so I'm gonna dive into that. The plastics were pretty much on, hanging by 1 or 2 screws, so I didn't film any of that stuff. I'll probably just film pulling the engine out, and then I'll put it on my bench and we'll do carb work, and then I'll check it for air leaks after. I'll probably pull the kit on and just see how it was installed. This bike I got from questionable builder, so I mean, it's gonna be out, so might as well do it right once. So I'm on it. I'll do this. Take one of these out. It's really simple. Unplug it, of course. Brake, rear brake line. Pull it out of the case, pull it to the side. I usually take these little nubs out because they always get lost. This bike needs a key set, some plastics. It's got a JDM tail on it, but it's broken. And it looks like a scooter swap shop one, so that means we're gonna put a real one on it, not garbage clone. Boom, 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 boom. All right, 14. That free. Get an adjustable. Move my parts bin. Got so many spare bolts. Alright, that engine bolt's ready to come out. Take all this other stuff off. I took it off, the fuel line off before I started filming, and then it got everywhere. So, don't do what I do. Shock mount. Buzz. Who's buzzing me? Alright, pull the air box off. And get to the shock. Shock's at 12. We'll just drop the rear wheel on. Lift that up. Last thing is to pull this engine out. So I'll put the 14 back on, take the adjustable, tighten it up, put it on it, use that to pull on it. There it is. Boom. And then we need to unplug the harness. Put all these bolts back together. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, and throttle cable. Duh. Which we won't be using anymore. Go to Oko. Boom, boom, boom. Plugs, plugs, plugs. So you guys are just kind of hanging on the corner. Hopefully you can see everything. The big black 8-pin, and then that little single one. And then if you have stock carb, there's going to be the two pin plug for the electric choke. But we're not going to need that anymore. So this is unplugged. Push it through. There it is. Box up here. There it is. I can't see that, but it's out. And all money. So alright, we're gonna take this to the bench, and I'll probably move you guys. I'm gonna clean the bench off a little bit, and then we're gonna reseal everything and do a carb kit on this, and then it'll be good to go. Pause it, guys.